Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Matthew, I am an automation advisor. In this demo I will show you how to use the if file action in Fabody Automation Workshop. We will check the existence of the invoice.zip file that is located on my C disk. Let's open Automation Workshop and navigate to the Actions tab. Click Add. Open the Logic category. And select the if file under Compare. Click OK. I will provide a static path to the file. But in your real-world scenario you will probably have a dynamic variable from the folder watcher or another action. The if action can check if a file exists or doesn't. It also can determine if the file is readable. I will use that as we are going to read the file later. Click OK to add this action to our task. Now, as you add another action, you can notice that it has an increased indent. It means that unzipping of the file will happen only when the if condition is true, in our case when the invoices.zip file will be available for reading. You can add one or more actions under the if scope. This simple if construct is enough for most of the use cases. However, sometimes you need to add the else part. The else scope is executed when the condition is false. In our case, when the file is not found or it may not be fully written to disk yet. Now, when we have the else, let's add the send email action that will send an email message when the file is not found or it is not accessible. If you are building a complex task or your workflow requires you to check for multiple files, just add another if action. For instance, the invoices are transferred over FTP together with their checksum in MD5 format. The checksum is stored in another file. Now, we are checking whether both files are there. And the invoices will be unzipped only then. But what's good from a checksum when we are not comparing it to the calculated checksum of the just transferred file? Let's add the compute file checksum and another if action to check if the checksums match. Now, we are unzipping the file only when both files exist, and the MD5 hash of the file matches to the hash value that was transferred along the zip file. The question may arise, how to determine which if action has the corresponding else? It is quite easy. Let's add another else action to show the point. The corresponding else is always vertically aligned under the if action. For example, the if checksum has else with the show message action. The if zip file exists as else that sends email. And the last if does not have its else. If the MD5 file is not found, the workflow will skip its scope, and also all the else scopes of other ifs. If you have not yet downloaded Automation Workshop, please do so via one of the links below in the description. No registration required, and it takes only a minute. I hope you find this useful, and thanks for watching. Till the next time.